If you have a home lab, multiple VMs, or just a few Linux PCs, you are wasting bandwidth. So you are downloading the same big files to every machine you own. And that's why I'm setting up a local Debian package proxy. So one machine downloads packages once, and the rest of your systems can reuse that cache. It's simple, lightweight, and done in a few seconds. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. Alright, this is my Debian server, which I will use as my Debian package proxy. If you don't have a Debian server yet, check out this video, where I'll show you how to install a Debian server the easiest way. So let's start by updating the system. Just type sudo apt-update and install the caching tool you are using. So just type sudo apt-install apt-cacher-ng. And yes one more time. It's done, so let's see if it is running. Just type sudo systemctl status apt-cacher-ng. Here you can see it's enabled and it is active. If it's not the case for you, just repeat the same command and replace status with start. And one more time with enable. Now let's find out the IP address of this server. Just type ip-add. This is it for me. Just make sure to make a DHCP reservation for it. I will put you a link in the description box on how to do this. I will also type all commands I'm using in this video. So copy this IP address and paste it in your web browser and the port 3142. Alright, it's installed, and here it's telling you how to use it. So here it's telling you have to create a file like this on every Linux machine you have and put this inside it. This is just telling APT to use this proxy. You can also do this on the same server. So I will copy this bad boy, and here I will type sudo nano, paste the file name, and enter. Now I will copy the whole line, paste it here. Now type Ctrl-O to save, and Ctrl-X to exit. And that's it. Now let's go back to the web browser. Here I will type on static report and configuration page. Here you can see it haven't fetched any files yet, and it only served about 3 kilobit. Now let's start using it. So I will clear everything here and type sudo apt-update and sudo apt-install, and I will go with nmap just for testing. And yes. Now if I do a refresh here, as you can see it's in use now. So it downloaded about 7 megabit, and here you have the requests. So 0 hits and 10 misses, which means someone tried to download 10 files and there wasn't on the server yet. So they are a hit, and here you can see the same but with the size of the files. Now I'm on another Linux server, so I will configure it to use a proxy. So the same commands, sudo nano and the file name, and Ctrl-O to save, and Ctrl-X to exit. Now if I type sudo apt-update, as you can see it's an Ubuntu server, and the other one was a Debian. So it will work on every Debian based distro. Now if I install the same package one more time, so sudo apt-install nmap. Now I have 40 misses. This is because the version of nmap isn't the same in Debian and Ubuntu. But now I will install it on another Ubuntu server, and it's configured now. Now first update and install nmap. Now if I go back to the web browser and a refresh, here you can see now it is in use. So we saved 6.55 megabit. I know it's not much because we just installed it, but after some weeks you will see some gigabytes here. This one I have installed yesterday, so here you can see it's from 14 until 15, and it's already saved me this much, even though I haven't configured all my servers. And that's it for today. I recently made a video where I show you 10 amazing terminal apps everyone should use. So here it is, just click on it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. Click on it.